Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to update Shopify theme. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your admin panel and go to online store. So as you can see, my current theme name is Taste and the theme version is 1.0.0. So now I'm going to updating this theme. So before getting update, I'll clear that this is a free theme. So I'm scrolling down and opening free themes from here, and I'm selecting this Taste theme because right now I'm going to updating this theme, and I'm clicking on add to theme library. So it's installing. It may take some time to finish the installation process. So here you can see this theme has been successfully updated. So my previous theme version was 1.0.0 and now here you can see the latest version 2.0.0. So the theme has been downloaded. Now we need to publish. So click on actions and click on publish. So this was how we can update our Shopify theme. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.